Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to log cell from editing in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here these letters. If you would like, for example, to log editing of a free cell, you need to click on it and then you need to click right mouse button on the sheet name. Now we need to go to protect the sheet. We need to go to range. And of course you can click on this icon to select the range. So I click on A3, I click OK. And then I need to set permissions for this cell, so I click on this button. And here you have two options to select. First option will show you a warning when you're editing this range, and the second option restrict who can edit this range. So everything depends on your preferences. You can try these two methods. So first I will select this method, restrict who can edit this range. I click on it, and you can select here only you. Then only you will be available to edit this cell. So if someone will enter your sheet, he will not be able to edit this cell, so I click done. And how you see changes have been successfully saved. How you see this cell is locked here, so people will not be able to edit this cell from different emails. And the second option will show you the warning if you want. So for example, I click on this cell, I click right mouse button here, I go to protect the sheet, I go to range, I check here if it is the correct cell address, and I click set permissions. I select show a warning when editing this range and I click done. After that, if you will try to change this cell, for example, I type here T and I click somewhere here, you will see this one information. Heads up, you are trying to edit part of this sheet that shouldn't be changed accidentally. Edit anyway. If you are sure that you want to do it, you need to click OK button, but if you don't want to do it, you need to click close. And how you see, it really works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.